show that now. All right, so now that question is related with trigonometry. So let's show the first part, which is very easy and straightforward. Everyone can see this is a type 3 of trigonometry in P3. As you can see, that is a symbol of identity. Be careful. So I will take left hand side. So what can I do? Everyone know we hate secant theta, cosecant, cot and tan. Let's convert secant theta into 1 over cos and cosecant theta into 1 over sine. Alright, divided by 4 into cosecant 4 theta can also be written as 1 over sine, but be careful, the angle is 4 theta. Angle is 4 theta. Perfect. So now the next thing, it will become 1 over sine theta into cos theta divided by 4 into 1 4 over sine 4 theta. So what will happen if I will change in this sign actually? It will become 1 multiply and the terms will flip actually. So what is the formula of sine 4 theta? Everyone know. Sine 2 theta is equal to 2 sine theta cos theta. So this angle is always the half of this angle. So if you will put 4 theta, so you will get the half of 4 theta, which is 2 theta sine 2 theta into cos 2 theta. You have to put that formula actually. It's automatically proved. So 2 sine 2 theta into cos 2 theta divided by 4. So 2 2s are. Can you see there are sine 2 theta and cos 2 theta clearly? Hello, hello. Keep your eyes on the screen. 2 sine theta into cos theta. And sine 2 theta formula is 2 sine theta cos theta divided by 2 sine theta cos theta. So they can be cancelled out with each other. So the remaining term will be cos 2 theta. I think that is what we want to prove. We want to prove cos 2 theta. So we have done first part. Alright, so hence show the equation. Hence show that the equation can be written as okay, where a and b and c are integers to be found. Hence means obviously I need to use the question or answer of previous part. So where is our previous question? This is our previous question. You can see. So the problem is, where is the secant theta, cosecant theta? Oh, okay. There is a cosecant theta and secant theta. Be careful, bete. That question is not related with identity proven. There is a equal sign. Okay, so you found it. You found it. Secant theta and cosecant theta over here. So what is the mistake? What is the term which is missing actually? 4 cosecant 4 theta. So here you can see 4 cosecant 4 theta. Shift into another side. So here is 5 cos ke theta minus 9 equal to secant theta cosecant theta divided by shift cos 4 into cosecant 4 theta into another side. Obviously it will divide. So everyone know that the answer of this one is cos 2 theta. Just replace cos 2 theta with this term. cos 2 theta. Perfect, perfect. I hope you can understand how to substitute previous part in next question. Now the problem is if you want to prove your answer can be written in the form of only in terms of cos 2 theta. So obviously if you want to get cos 2 theta, so you need to remove cos square theta and tan square 2 theta. What can I do? So let's shift. Look at the screen. If you can see 1 plus tan square 2 theta is secant square theta into cos 2 theta. Please make sure you should remember the square box actually. Whenever the square identities or square trigonometric functions you will see in the questions, so obviously you have to think in your brain about square ideas. So 5 cos square theta minus 9. And we hate secant square theta. So I can write 1 over cos square theta into cos. Sorry, it's my mistake. It is secant square 2 theta. The first one can be cancelled out. Perfect. Perfect. So the remaining term will be 3 over cos 2 theta. Shift this one. 5 into cos 2 theta. Cos square theta minus 9. Cos of 2 theta equal to 3. The only problem now you can see, I want to remove cos square theta in terms of cos 2 theta. So which is a formula where you can convert cos square theta in terms of cos 2 theta? Do you know? Yes, sir, I know that. If you know, beta, cos square theta is can be written as 1 plus cos 2 theta over 2. Yes, the only thing that you can convert cos square theta in terms of cos 2 theta, that is a formula you have to use. We already discussed in trigonometry. So 5 cos 2 theta, just substitute that formula which is 1 plus cos 2 theta over 2. Okay, now shift. So it will become 5 cos square 2 theta divided by 2 minus 9 cos 2 theta minus 3 equal to 0. So take LCM. Minus 18. Beta, it will multiply with 9. 2 nines are 18. And minus 6 divided by 2. Obviously 2 will remove. 2 can be shifted into another side, so it will multiply with 0. That is the answer. So these two terms can be subtracted. So 5 cos square 2 theta minus. So that is what we want to prove. Actually, we want to write our answer in terms of cos 2 theta. Make sure A, B, C should be integers. Yes, A, B, C are integers. Hence, okay, solve the equation. So first I have to compare. They are exactly with each other or not. Let's see. Yes, they are exactly with each other. So I can use this function in terms of x actually, because there is a x as you can see. Just change the angle, but there is a x. So substitute cos 2x equal to a. It will become 5a square minus 13a minus 6 equal to 0. It can be factorized. I think yes. 15 twos are. Take 5a common, a minus 3 plus 2 common, a minus 3. So a values will be, one is 3 and the second one will be minus 2 over 5. And again, everyone knows I have to substitute cos 2x. Cos 2x equal to 3. You will not get any answer. There is no solution because the cos value is always between 1 and minus 1, which is included. Cannot be greater than 1 and cannot be less than or equal, less than minus 1. Simple. So obviously you can see I can't take inverse. So 360. So the answer of cos inverse 2 over 5. Ignore negative sign. Be careful. Our calculator must be in radian. Be careful about that. Cos inverse. And now as you can see, cos is negative actually. The cos is negative in third quadrant and second quadrant. Mark acute angle and find the final answer. Even you can do directly, no problem. So the answer of this question will be 180 minus and 180 plus. So that is the answer of 2x, not x. Be careful. So divide with 2. 123.21. So this is the final answer of this question. There is an issue. If you feel any problem in this question, so you can ask in comment section actually.